Hello and welcome to DIY Golf Cart. Today's installation video will be installing a front bumper on a Yamaha G16. For our first step, we're going to need to remove this 12mm bolt right here on the front bumper. We'll do the same to the other side. Once we have that bolt removed, the bumper will just come straight off. So once we got the hardware removed, our first step is to grab this bracket and install it on the back side of the bumper. You'll want to run the stainless steel hardware through the front side and then put a nut on the back. Now you always want to make sure that these tabs are pointing in the same direction as the top piece of the bumper. Once we have the brackets loosely installed to the front bumper, our next step is just to reuse the same hardware that we removed earlier in the video and install the new brackets to the frame. We'll do the same to the other side. Once we've got the brackets installed, our next step is just to tighten up the 4 bolts here on the front. So we'll grab a 7/16 socket, then a Phillips screwdriver, and tighten all 4 of these bolts. Once we got all 4 of the bolts tightened on the front, last step is just to tighten the 2 on the side.